Hello there. My name is Jason Perkins. I'm an attorney who specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases. I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia workers' compensation video series. Today, I want to talk to you about workers' compensation adjusters. And specifically, I want to talk to you about what workers' compensation adjusters don't tell you. The workers' compensation adjuster is the person who works for the insurance company and basically manages your workers' compensation case. So they're the person that you talk to when you need to talk about your workers' compensation benefits or getting medical treatment. They're the one that's going to call you to kind of check up on you about what's going on with your case. So let's talk about some of the things that workers' compensation adjusters don't tell you. Um, and this is not specifically that every workers' compensation adjuster doesn't tell you these things. There's good workers' compensation adjusters out there. These are some of the things that I've noticed repeatedly throughout the years that many workers' compensation adjusters don't tell you. The first is that there's deadlines that you may have to meet in your workers' compensation case. There's deadlines for filing your claim. There's deadlines for asking for additional benefits in certain situations. There's deadlines for giving notice of your injury or submitting requests for mileage or medical reimbursement. If you don't meet these deadlines, you basically lose your right to receive certain types of benefits or potentially your whole workers' compensation case. So deadlines are very important. Many times adjusters may not tell you about them. Second thing that many adjusters don't tell you about is that you're entitled to be reimbursed for your mileage to your medical appointments for treatment or testing for your injury. Many adjusters just don't mention this at all. You get reimbursed your mileage at 40 cents a mile for all medical treatment and testing that's covered under workers' compensation. Third thing they may not tell you is that you have a right to select a doctor off of your employer's panel of physicians, the right to change to a different doctor on that panel of physicians. And if your employer doesn't have a valid panel of physicians, you may be able to choose any doctor you want to treat with under your workers' compensation case. And that can be very important. The fourth thing that they may not tell you is that there's really no such thing as doctors in network in a workers' compensation case. Many times I've had my clients told that they can't see a certain doctor because that doctor is not in their network, or the physical therapy provider or MRI provider is not in their network. Well, in almost all workers' compensation cases in Georgia, networks don't apply. Now, the workers' compensation insurance company may have medical providers that they get discounts from that they would like for you to go see, but that doesn't mean that you're bound to go see a doctor that they claim is in their network. Fifth thing that many adjusters don't tell you is that you can refuse medical treatment. If your doctor is suggesting some treatment that you don't want, there's nothing that says that you have to get it. Generally, you do have to follow up with your authorized treating physician. In almost all other situations, if the doctor is recommending injections or surgery or some sort of medical treatment that you have some reason for not wanting, you don't have to have that treatment. I hope you found this information about what workers' compensation adjusters don't tell you helpful. If you have, please let me know that. Best way to do that is by either liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. Be on the lookout for another video that's got more information about what workers' compensation adjusters don't tell you in the future. In the meantime, if you have more questions about your workers' compensation case, I'd encourage you to reach out and get answers to those questions. The best way you can do that is by scheduling a free consultation about your workers' compensation case. If you want to set up a free consultation with me, there's two easy ways you can do that. First is by calling the phone number on the bottom of the screen. The other is by reaching out to us through our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com. Click on it and submit the free consultation request form, and a member of our workers' compensation team will reach out to you and get that consultation with me scheduled. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today. I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injuries.